Most people get this wrong, and end up searching in the wrong place for Hulu inside Xfinity, only to realize nothing shows up or the billing doesn't match. Here's the truth no one tells you. Hulu is not always inside Xfinity like a normal channel. In 2026, it works through a bundle activation system that most users miss completely. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to add Hulu to your Xfinity bundle step by step, how to check if it's available in your plan, and how to activate it without errors or double billing. Let's get straight into it. First, you need to check if your Xfinity plan supports Hulu bundling. Open the Xfinity app or go to the official website and log into your account. Then go to the Manage Plan or Entertainment section. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some Xfinity Internet and TV bundles include Hulu as part of a Disney bundle offer, while others only allow you to add it as a paid upgrade. If you skip this step, you might try activating something that is not even available on your plan. Next, look for an option that says Add Streaming Services or Entertainment Add-ons. If Hulu is supported, you will see it listed there. Click on it to start the activation process. This will redirect you to Hulu's official website. Now here's the key step most people miss. Do not create a new Hulu account before starting this process. Instead, choose the option to activate through Xfinity or partner billing. This connects your Xfinity account directly to Hulu and prevents duplicate charges. You will then be asked to sign in or create a Hulu profile. Use the same email linked to your Xfinity account. This helps ensure your subscription is properly synced across both platforms. But here's the problem many users face. The activation page sometimes freezes or loops back to login. If that happens, clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Also make sure you are fully signed into Xfinity before clicking the activation link again. Once activation is complete, download the Hulu app on your smart TV, phone, or streaming device. Sign in with the same email you used during setup. Your Hulu access should now be unlocked automatically based on your Xfinity bundle. If you don't see Hulu as an option inside your account, it usually means your plan does not support it. In that case, you can either upgrade your Xfinity package or subscribe directly through Hulu separately. Quick recap. Check eligibility first. Add Hulu through Xfinity account settings. Activate through the partner link, not the app. Fix errors by switching browsers or networks. Then, log into Hulu to confirm access. That's it. You now know exactly how to add Hulu to your Xfinity bundle, without confusion, hidden charges, or activation issues. If this helped, like the video, comment where you got stuck, and subscribe for more simple streaming setup guides just like this.